Hi, this is Andy from Quick to Draw. I had a question about exporting these videos, pressing on the play button of this Bouchon Freeze sample. And I just want to show you that you come out of your animation on Animation Desk. You click on the export button, which is at the bottom right. You press Photos, Videos, ignore this bit, then you press Next. Then you kind of want it as a cinematic shape, not a ratio 4:3. So I'm going to click on 16:9 ratio. There you go. That's the size the animation is going to be in. Then you press Done. And this is the question that I hope I can help one of the comments on YouTube. When you go into Photos, you'll see it there. You want to go to iMovie. This is how you make it into an iMovie video. Click on there, iMovie, download it, create movie. There you go. You got your movie. And when you're done, you can send it pressing the box with the arrow. Save video. Now that's an iMovie. So I always go for 1080. And it's exporting into an iMovie file. There's the answer to your question. If you want an AVI, you need to go to an app store and get a converter for that. But that's how you do Animation Desk to an iMovie. Hope that helps. Bye.